I am first year BPK student. So today we will discuss going about the introspection. What is introspection and the definition of the introspection? So psychology can be definition of the psychology. Psychology can be defined as the specific study of behavior and the mental process. Then from the word behavior one can extract two meanings because there are two kinds of the behavior. Two kinds of the behavior overall and the coherent behavior. Then introspection. Introspection means examining the inner behavior by one's own self. It looking into one's own mind and recording what we find there. In this method, the individual is both the subject and the observer. It is self-observation. Then this is the oldest method of education of the psychology. Then let us discuss about the key aspect of the introspection. Mainly, one is the self-observation, two is the subjective experience. Self-observation is the introspection involves paying attention to one's own internal status and experience. Then subjective experience is it relies on the individual's personal perspective, making it subjective and potentially inconsistent across individuals. Then mental processing. Introspection examines various mental states including sensory, bodily, cognitive and emotional experiences. Then histological significance. Introspection was the primary method for studying consciousness in the early days of psychology, particularly by figures like one and Hilton. Then criticism. Its subjective nature and lack of objectivity have led to criticisms from behaviorists who favors more objective method for research. Then last one is the continuous relevance. Despite criticisms, introspection remains relevant for understanding oneself and can be used in therapy and counseling to explore emotion and the behavior. Then benefit of the introspection. One is the self-awareness, second is the problem solving. Self-awareness is the introspection helps individual become more aware of their thoughts, feelings and the motivations. Then problem solving. By reflecting on past experience, introspection can help identify the root cause of the challenge and develop effective solutions. Then subjectivity. Limitation of the introspection. And one is the subjectivity and the another is the difficulty in observing changing status. Subjectivity is reports from introspection are highly subjective and may not be reliable or constant across individuals. Difficulty in observing changing status. Introspection can be challenging when trying to observe rapidly changing mental processes. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.